Hi viewers, today's topic is debate theory of specific heat. So already we have discussed Dulac-Petitla and ionistic theory of specific heat. So Dulac-Petitla couldn't explain the specific heat at a lower temperature, but ionistic theory explain somewhat at a lower temperature as well as at higher temperature. But Debye can explain completely how the temperature changes and how the specific heat changes. The relation between the specific heat and the temperature relation, he got a relation, and Debye theory of specific heat also called as T cube law. Right? This is also called as T cube law. Why? Because in the last of this lesson we may get a relation between the specific heat and temperature. So temperature will be like this only. So that is also called as T cube law and Debye theory of specific heat. And here let small n be the number of oscillators per unit volume. Means small volume in unit volume how many number of atoms are there. Here each atom is considered as one oscillator. Why? Because they may oscillate in x-axis, y-axis as well as z-axis also. So because of that only in 3 dimensions. 3m is the number of oscillators in 3 dimensions also written, and z of nu. Why this term is taken? Z indicates density of states. And density of states depends on frequency also. It varies with the frequency, so that is why it is a function of frequency. Density of state is function of frequency. So that is why I have written z of nu. And there is one formula to calculate 3n. So we want to calculate 3n of here. So there is a formula. One is z of nu is equals to dn by d nu, right? And now bring this side, and then we may write it is as dn is equals to z of nu into d nu, right? So this is written here. So dn is equals to d nu z nu into d nu. So that is written in this form. Now integrating, it is in one unit only. I don't want in one unit, I want whole. Then what we have to do? We have to integrate it. So integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Then what we get, we will see here, right? So now I am going to erase this one. Now integrating it, d integration dn is equals to integration z of nu into d nu. Integrating dn means the number of molecules in one unit. We integrate, we get this is as 3n, total number of molecules in 3 dimensions, right? That is, and here this is integration from 0 to frequency, right? So 0 to nu, z of nu d nu. But z of nu d nu, it has a formula. There is a derivations also. That is a no need here. So I will do that is one more video in the next class, next time. So z of nu, there is a formula. Z of nu d nu is equals to 4 pi v 2 by vt q plus 1 by vt q vl q into nu square into d nu. What is v? V is the volume, whole volume of a substance, right? Whole volume of a solid, right? And vt is the transverse velocity of oscillator. Transverse means, suppose if you consider one atom in this direction, its velocity in this direction, if it is a longitudinal velocity, then opposite to this direction there are two more directions are present. One is like this, it is a perpendicular to this, Other may be like this. This is also perpendicular to this. So that is why two vibrations are there. Two perpendicular vibrations are there. Two perpendicular velocities are there. Those velocities are denoted like this. Two perpendicular. Right? So Vt cube transverse velocity means perpendicular to longitude. How many there? Two present. And longitude is only one we have taken here. Like this. And now substitute this value, this formula here. Then 3n is equals integration 0 to nu 4 pi v 2 by Vt cube plus 1 by Vl cube nu square d nu. Right? In the place of z of nu d nu, what I have written, this is a whole written. But it is integration, see, d nu only. So that means only this one can be integrated. And or remaining all are constant. So bring this all constant this side and keep it inside. Then we write it like this. 3n is equals 4 pi v 2 by Vt cube plus 1 by Vl cube integration 0 to nu square d nu. Let this is a minimum frequency and this is a maximum frequency. Maximum frequency is also called as Debye frequency. Maximum frequency is called as Debye, and Debye frequency can be denoted like this. Debye frequency can be written as nu d. D indicates Debye, right? So what I am doing, simply I am changing it like this. Maximum frequency. Then 3n is equals 4 pi v 2 by Vt cube plus 1 by Vl cube. Its integration simply everybody know that is nu cube by 3. Where to where? 0 to and if you substitute it, what you get? Simply it becomes right. If you substitute the integration limits, then you make it this one. Or now keep this side and bring this side only these two things bring this side. Now 3 into 3 it becomes 9 and by nu d 4 pi v 2 by Vt cube plus 1 by Vl cube. Let it is equation 2. What is the equation 1? Let this is the equation 1. We may use next time this is right. So this is the equation. Now what I am doing, I use the word oscillators. But actually oscillator was used by Planck's. So what I am doing, I am going to write a Planck's law. I am going to take one formula from Planck's, that is Planck's formula, and that may denote here average energy of Planck's. Average energy formula by using Planck's is what? See here, by using Planck's. You should take photo. Right? Now by using Planck's from Planck's law, average energy is written as this. Average energy E bar is equals h nu by e power h nu by kBT minus what? This is a Planck's radiation law, right? Already we have learned it in last year, I think in second year, right? So this is our average energy. And now see, I want total energy. Total energy can be density. Total energy. Total energy EC. E is equals to either we can denote with the E or U also as you wish. right? E is equals 3 and epsilon bar. 3 times of epsilon bar gives total energy, right? So this total and 3 and formula from equation 1 we have to 3 and formula from equation 1. So that is why I have written equation 1. So what is the equation 1? E is equals 3 and integration is 0 to nu z of nu d nu. It is the first equation into E bar, this one, h nu by e power h nu by kBT minus 1. And z of nu d nu formula also we know, that is also we have to substitute here. What is that? Z of nu E is equals integration 0 to nu d, right? We must write nu d. Z of nu is 4 pi y 2 by Vt cube plus 1 by Vl cube into nu square into d nu. This is a formula of Z of nu d nu into h nu by e power h nu by kBT minus 1, right? So this is, and now already we know the formula of this. Its formula we know, right? This is the formula. So its value we know, this is, so substitute this value. Okay, now see 9n by nu dq we have to substitute here. Why? Because 4 pi v and this is a bracket, this is a bracket. Keep it aside, right? E is equals 0 to nu d. Its formula is 9n by vdq. 9n by nu dq. Its term is over into nu square. dn, d nu can be written as the last, but nu into nu it becomes nu cube, right? Nu cube. H is there. Okay, h nu cube into d nu by this term h nu by kBT minus. Okay, so its bracket value is only this one 9n by nu dq, and h is this one, nu square into nu becomes nu cube. These two we cannot get cancelled, right? Why? Because it is a nu d, it is a maximum frequency. It is a frequency in between the minimum and maximum. Okay, so that is why these two things cannot be cancelled. And now constant term right outside 9n h by nu dq, where 0 to nu, and inside term is nu q by e power h nu by kBT minus 1 into d, right? Now what I am doing, I am going to change this to make, I am going to make it small. That means I am going to use a substitution method. So in substitution method, right? Right? Substitution method. What is the substitution? Let x is as h nu by kb. So this total term I am simply taking as x. Now here what you have, d nu you have. Here also nu is there. Then according to the substitution method, differentiate it. Dx is equals h by KBT into d nu. But what we have substitute d nu only. From this d nu can be written as, bring this to this side. What is that? D nu is equals, bring total on this side. So downside up, upside stop. K B T by H into dx. Now substitute these terms here. E is equals 9n h by nu d cube. Integration also changes. I will write integration later. In the place of nu is what? From this nu is what? Nu is equals kb p by h, kbt by h nu, kbt by h nu into, right? So from this nu is equals to what? KBT is upside, only h is downside. Now substitute those terms. In the place of nu, KBT by h, KBT by h into x, KBT by h into x whole cube. Why? Because in the place of nu whole cube into d nu formula is what? This one. Into KBT by h into dx. In the place of d nu, this total by e power x minus 1, e power x minus 1. And now e is equals 9n h by nu d cube. Bring constant term outside. Here we can write it is as like this also, whole cube and x cube. So this bracket and this bracket came from outside. First to bring it outside. KBT by h whole cube and is also KBT by h. Integration, where to where? Integration eliminates what is first? 0, right? So here when it is in frequency, substitute in the place of nu 0, h time is 0. Substitute limit here. What you get? X value is 0. Means lower limit is 0. Next, in the place of nu, if you substitute nu d, then simply denote it with xm, maximum value. Nu d is what? Maximum frequency is called delay frequency. So then corresponding x term is x max we have right. Okay? So x max. When x max is there, then h nu d by kbt. In the place of nu, if we substitute nu d, it becomes h x max. So here x max 0, x max. Limit also changes. Okay. What are the inside terms? Inside the integration, it is we brought outside, and it is also only one thing is inside. X cube dx by e power x minus 1. So this is the total energy. One more thing, these two gets cancelled. Here whole power 3 is there, and here nu cube d is there. This cube term also we can include inside the bracket. Bring it inside the bracket and write in the final one. So, right? Start. Now E is equals 9n only, 9n. Here x h cancel, kbt. Next, this is a bracket. In this bracket include this is also inside a right common power. common power k b t by nu d into h whole power 3 common power. Next integration where to where 0 to x m x cube dx by e power x minus 1. One more thing we have to do here. Again, we have to substitution method we have to do. What is that? Let k be has nu d. We can write a reverse, right in reverse. Has nu d. Has nu d by kb. Let it is as td. What is the TD? TD is called debate temperature, like Einstein temperature. What you have done, Einstein tell that theta is equals to h cut omega naught by kb. We have taken as Einstein temperature. The same manner, debate temperature is taken as TD. Okay. Now substitute here this term and limits also changes. E is equals to 9 kBT. Now see in the place this one, but here h nu d by kb is here kb by h nu d is then it comes in denominator. It's reverse. Reciprocal, take its reciprocal, bring it outside, then it's also reciprocal comes. Then t by t. Right? You can do it or simply reciprocal kb by x nu d is 1 by 3. So kb by x nu d is 1 by 3. Now integration, what happens? xm term is what? xm is equals has nu d by kbt is an xm term. Where nu is there, no need to write here. Where nu d is there, we must write n. Okay. So now in the place of this is what? H nu by kb, h nu by kb, h nu by kb is td. X is equals td by right xm. So in the place of xm, we can substitute td by td. Where here. Next, okay, this side. In the place of now E is equals 9 n kBT t by td integration 0 to we didn't write. Let me complete this one. T by t xm td by t x cube by power of x minus 1 to dx. Okay, so once again I am building this here. td by t x cube dx e power x minus 1. This is the total energy, right? After getting total energy, what we have to do? We have to differentiate it with respect to temperature. Then we get specific heat, right? So now specific heat. Our final aim is this one only. Specific heat is what? Cv is equals to d by dt of E. So this E, differentiate it with respect to temperature, then we get specific. And here I am going to write it directly. Why? Because here U by V method is there, right? U by V method. Yes. X is in terms of P. So this also differentiable. So I am going to write it directly just to remember that one. What is that? Cv is equals to differentiating this one d by dt of eta means 9n kBT t by td 0 to td by t x cube e power x minus 1 into dx. It's a differentiation. It's a differentiation. CV is equals to 9n kb t by td whole power 3. I have forgotten. Whole power 3 is forgotten. Right? Here integration 0 to td by t x power 4 e power x by e power x minus 1 into dx. This is a specific heat. After doing differentiation with respect to temperature to the total energy, then we get CV 9 kV d by td whole cube 0 to td by t x power 4 e power x by e power x minus 1 dx. Only this thing you must by heart it. Why? Because I have written here directly. Don't worry. Why? X is also differentiable because x is in terms of x is what we have taken. X is equals to h nu by k dt. It is that is why it is written in this form. Okay. So next what we have after this cases we have for this we will see later.